Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we will be learning how to change your name on ClearScore. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. Open up your clearscore.com website and make sure to log into your account first. Once you're inside the main homepage, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right. In the expanded menu, click on My Account. Now under My Account, click on Your Details. Click the View button under Your Details to get to your profile information. As you can see that there is no way you can change your name on your ClearScore account. If you want to change your name on ClearScore, you will need to first go ahead and delete your ClearScore account and restart the sign up process where you can go ahead and enter the desired name of your choice. Until now, this is the only way you will be able to change your name on ClearScore, since there is no way you can change your name on ClearScore. So that is the only way you will be able to do it. If you found the video to be informational, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.